Hi my friends, welcome to Maverick channel. As you can see, the DJI Mini 2 is out, and I was scrolling on the internet, on YouTube, and I saw this video about this guy who went into a Best Buy, guys, and they actually sold one to him. So I commented on his video and asked him to review it on my channel, and he gave me a thumbs up. So yeah, it is, guys. The Mavic, the Mini 2, is out. I first of all thought it was some kind of Photoshop or something that someone did, but actually it is the real deal. It is right here. You can see the guy actually opening the box, guys. My goodness. Yes. How he managed to get it, I don't know. Maybe someone was sloppy. Maybe an employee never knew that it wasn't for sale yet, and that we have about 2 weeks before you start selling it. Wow, look at it. Nicely packaged, and it comes with some kind of a protector around the drone, which is good. The mini one doesn't have that. You can see him opening up, and besides, his channel is Our Beautiful World. If I pronounce that wrongly, forgive me, but it is Our Beautiful World. Man, yes, it looks similar to the first one, but you can see that the propeller has orange stripes as opposed to the gray stripes on the first one. And an important difference also is the remote control. The remote control for the Mini 2 is similar to that of the Mavic Air 2, as you will see here in just a moment when he will show it. Guys, man, I can't wait to get this drone, man. Okay, here it goes. Here it goes. You see, it is quite similar to the 2. You see the difference? Man, guys, man, I can't wait. I can't wait to test this drone out, particularly as it has another difference. It now has OcuSync 2, which is wonderful. So you guys can check his channel out, and you would see that what I'm showing you here is actually the real thing. It is not fake. It is the real thing, guys. Man. Yeah, see, he's actually showing everything around, so it's not fake. It is the real deal. Yes, the DJI Mavic Mini is out. It's on the shelf already, and here you go. You see some of his some of the paperwork that comes with it. Yeah. Wow. Batteries, yep. Battery charger, 3 could be put in there all at once. 1 charges at a time, and I'm sure it will use the same technology like the first one, or the Mavic Air 2 that charges the battery with that requires the least amount of charge first, so you can get on the air. And as you can see there, the buttons underneath is all the same. Camera 4K, guys, 4K. There goes the difference between the 2 batteries. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, leave your comments below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.